Today we'll be continuing on with the Grind 75 Week 1, problem number 7, Valid Anagram. Alright, valid anagram. Given two strings s and t, return true if t is an anagram of s and false otherwise. An anagram is a word or phrase formed by rearranging the letters of a different word or phrase, typically using all of the original letters exactly once. Alright, so if the string s is anagram and t is nagaram, it has the same letters, so output is true. Second example, s is rat, t is car. They've got different letters, so the output is false. In this case, the constraints are, let's see, L is less than or equal to S, and S and T consist of lowercase English letters. So essentially, if we want to see if the letters are the same or different, probably the easiest thing to do would just be to count all the letters by each letter. So if there's 3 A's in a word, we'd have A and then 3 in some sort of map. All right, so this should be as easy as return counter S. So this will count all the letters in S and output its frequency in a Python dictionary and compare it against same counter for T. That should do it. Run that, passes, submit, beats 96.4%. Sounds good. Easy one. Check that off. All right, done.